Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this coffee espresso maker that this man sent to me for the video. I have to say that I tried it, and I think it's really good for the espresso lovers, 100%. For your morning coffee, your afternoon coffee, your late night coffee, whatever you want to do with this one, you can do a really nice espresso. You have this tank over here, which is going to be the water tank. You can actually take it out if you want, or you can use it just like with the tank on. It's going to be for about, I want to say like 60 ounces actually, 1.5 liters. Once that you have it in place, you can have so many things to do with this one. You can do your cold latte, you can do your espresso, you can do your double shot espresso. You have a milk frother over here, which I think it's one of the things that sometimes I don't drink too much espresso. I kind of like the normal coffee, but my wife loves espresso, and she say that the frother sometimes, like on the weekend, she loves it. It comes with everything you need. Of course, you're gonna have this one just to put your coffee with this plastic spoon, and of course you can actually grind it a little bit just with this. And of course you have the half size as well, in case that you don't like the super kind of like strong espresso, and the instruction manual that just give it a read. You're not gonna have to read it too much because this thing is super easy to use. So I'm gonna put some water, I'm gonna plug it in, and then I'm gonna show how it works. So we have our water, it's heating up. You're gonna see that this one keeps going up. It heats up pretty fast. I have to say that it's gonna be like no more than 30 seconds. So we have our coffee over here. It's actually, I need a little bit just to put it in the right shape. Perfect that way. So while it keeps heating, it says unlock and lock. So you're gonna put it right away in this position over here. And once that is in this position, you're gonna just lock it to the right, and it's locked right now. And then you have the on and off. You have the steam over here. On the right, you're gonna find the frother right here with this knob. So you're gonna actually turn it on and put your milk over there. And then this is gonna be the coffee size once that is heating up. This one is already ready. So I'm gonna put a cup. Actually, I'm gonna put a big cup. So I'm not gonna put the small cup. I'm gonna put the big cup over here. This is not espresso cup. It's just like a regular coffee cup. So I'm gonna put it right away and do a close up. So now it's finishing, kind of like heating up the last part to drop that espresso for you, the nice and hot espresso. So let's just wait for a little bit more. There we go. We're gonna have our hot espresso right away. Super nice with the body, the foam, and of course that super shot, kind of like strong shot espresso that you like for your mornings 100%. Remember, that's a big cup. It's not a small cup. It's not espresso cup. So don't worry about that, about the quantity. It's gonna be not as much as you like for sure, because it is a big cup. So let it drip for a little bit, and let's check it out. Nice espresso. Ooh, check this out. Beautiful body. It's dripping. So I'm gonna put the cup right away. Actually, I'm gonna sip it first. Really nice one. Oh yeah, it is strong, but that's how I know that my wife like it that way. I like it, but not super strong. But this one can do a really strong one. So I like it. Super easy to use. Of course, you have the frother, you have the heating, you have the lock-in right here, you have the 60 ounces tank on the back. So I think they could be a really good one for your morning espressos. Thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.